Hi everyone, I'm Esther Kovac, co-founder and CEO of DroneTalks, and today I would like to share 5 reasons to attend area cities. So the first is that we designed area cities to connect aviation drone companies with regulators and cities to enable operations in cities. So obviously we will have a lot of regulators and cities at the event. So if you want to develop new partnerships, understand the latest needs and initiatives of the regulators, come to our event. The second point comes from the first. So cities will be there. If you want to operate in cities, understand their reasons to adopt drones, AM technologies, or understand their worries. Come, talk to them, be there, and listen from first-hand their view. The third reason is that we will have a CEO of the Year award in the first day. We will announce the CEO of the Years in different categories by DroneTalks. So if you want to attend the award ceremony, be there. The first reason is that all the other CEOs, CTOs, your peers basically will be there. If you want to discuss their experience, investment strategy, their view, be there, connect with your peers, and have a great 2 days event together. Last reason is that the event will be a lot of fun. We will have music, networking opportunity, but we will talk about the latest, the hottest topics, really the ones which needs to be discussed in C-level. So be there, be our partner. The event is free of charge, but it's invitation only, so fill the form here in the description if you want to attend Area Cities 2022.